your bad bitch gon' spoil her. Got one in New York, need one in Georgia. New belly truck cause a quarter. My money fuel long like weed. Pussy was more like water.
Y'all ready?
Everyone jump on the floor. She was talking but not anymore. No. Back to your place like a tour. The chopper come shit for the York. Done with the talking, I'm open to violence. Ask anybody, they know I'm about it.
Hashtag whip that whole ass.
Fuck around.
We gon' start a new challenge.
Come in this bitch and I'm strapped up and ready. Right on that thing like I'm
Cardi and Jenny.
Look at your crib, we don't go to no telly. I sit on his face whenever I'm ready.
Say what?
Bitch, I'm a freak like freak.
Freak.
Got the biggest house on my street.
It's big. Let's go.
Sucking on my dick with no teeth.
Press. Cardi don't need more stress. Kill them all, put them hoes to rest. Walking bulletproof vest. Please tell me who she gon' check. Murder scene, Cardi made a mess. Pop up, guess who, bitch? Pop up, guess who, bitch?
Yeah.
Cypher to the camera.
Yeah.
Cell phone camera.
You said we keeping it gangsta all night, right?
To the left. Yeah.
We keeping it.
Let's go.
I'm getting to jail like this.
TikTok, Arizona.
Tweaking with these fake ass pills.
Let's go.
He off a pill, niggas ill. Is it even real? Rap, should we call it drill?
Yeah.
Niggas capping in they rap, should we give them deals? What? He off a pill, niggas ill, is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets, do he even kill? What? Niggas dissing when they rap, should we call it drill? What? Niggas capping in they rap, should we give them deals?
This is talking all that rah-rah, I don't feel it though. Like the plan B didn't work, baby, I'm in this hole. I'm in this hole. Ready and she ready, oh she tryna fuck. He think he handsome, Mr. Ransom, we done line him up. He got some bombs, touch a gun, oh I'm tryna come. I'm in the strippy with a blicky and a lot of wine. My name is always in that mouth, I got that juicy pussy. LB, loose vagina, she got Louis pussy. Ain't gon' lie, her shit is that, hit it from the back. She throwing cat, and that Uber black. One of my bitches like Kalani, one look like nobody. Me and my nigga bout to flip 'em, we like sippin' time to time. If it's Flizzo's in the club, then you know where to find me. All my diamonds Eliani, this shit's hella shine. I'm taking cash, you shaking ass, I'm really moving shit. I'm really eating bitches up, I'm out here chewing shit. Too many bitches in my city think they doing shit. Too many out that I don't know, bitch, who the fuck is this? The fans be better, so they start recruiting shit. Giving pussy to their face, I don't get doing shit. And I'm ready with receipts, I be proving shit. Oh, some stupid shit. It must be slow, they out here losing it. I like a hoe, bitch, I'm on go, I don't care who it is.
Come on.
He off a pill, niggas ill, is it even real? He got a glizzy with no bullets, do he even kill? Niggas dissing when they rap, should we call it drill? Niggas capping in they rap, should we give them deals?
TikTok, make some noise. Arizona, make some noise.
To Sloan Park. Tomorrow to the Sloan Park song.
Let's get a motherfucking poppin'. Y'all loving the hood, huh? Y'all loving the hood? Y'all some ghetto motherfuckers. Y'all ghetto as hell. Ratchet motherfuckers.
So we gonna keep the hood there? We just gonna keep going with the hood shit? Let's get it! Y'all ready? Come on! Y'all know the words, sing it! Hey, Cardi, give it to him. Let's go!
Put my twin in them, and we all look good as fuck. She said she my out, but I don't know her. Had to
look up!
I know that I'm rich, but I can help it. Bitch, I'm good as fuck.
Yeah.
I've been on these bitches neck so long, sometimes I fucking stuck. I can put you in my business. You might wish me
That's more!
bitches be on dick today, sing every word
Up tomorrow!
Bitch, I still got case open. Keep your mouth
Shut tomorrow!
Play with me today, then get some sleep. You know it's
Up tomorrow!
fake bitch, that's what my nigga. Both you bitches pussy, I think y'all should scissor. She bought a chain, I bought the same one, even bigger. She throwing shots, that's how I know I got a trigger. I don't speak dog ho, I don't care what no bitch say. I see on her mind, I got
Condos in that bitch head!
She said she don't fuck with me. Who said that you can't hold? That nigga on my shit,
He gon' eat it like a mango!
Long ass sweet, it be tickling my ass crack. Wonder what I do tomorrow, that these hoes will be mad at. All y'all bitches sweet, and I always get my link boo. I fuck for my bitches and I'm fighting over
Dick too!
Say your name won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. Can't say your name up in my songs, might not fuck with you tomorrow. Can't get my feelings hurt today, I won't give a fuck tomorrow. Ain't fucked up by no credit score, I might be rich as fuck tomorrow. Every day the sun won't shine, but that's why I love tomorrow. That's why I love tomorrow. That's why I love tomorrow. That's why I love tomorrow.
Let's go. Let's go.
Once upon a time, and I heard that I was something. Came through, bitch, I see my face palm, ass tight, brass stuck up, shacks right. Jury on me. I've been listening.
Last night.
Hit him with that.
Good.
I make a nigga.
Act right.
Broke boys don't deserve it.
I know that's right.
Go. Let's go.
It's big bags busting out the belly band. Take a man, break it back, party back. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. I can make the party hot. I can make your body rock. Bitches say they fucking with me.
Chances are they probably not.
If I had a dick, you probably lick it like a lollipop. Hoes speaking Japanese.
Hit him with karate chop.
I'm forever popping shit, pulling up and dropping shit. Gotta argue with him, cause a nigga love a toxic bitch. Niggas I am playing, gotta make him understand. Ain't no ring on my finger, you ain't going to my face bomb, ass tight, rack stack up, shack height. Jury on me, flashlight.
I've been listening last night.
Hit him with that good. Make a nigga
Act right.
broke niggas don't deserve no pussy.
Ladies.
I know.
That's right.
Big bag bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, Balenciaga brought it back. And all you bitches fuck.
Let's go.
It's big bags bustin' out the belly band. Take a man, bring it back, bring it back. And all you bitches stunt. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Up, then it's up. If it's up, then it's stuck. If it's up, then it's up, then it's up, then it's stuck. Nigga.
Y'all make some noise in this thing, man. Cardi B is in the building.
We about to get nasty.
We about to get nasty?
Nasty.
Let's get it! Let's go! Let's go!
I said certified freak.
Say what?
7 days a week.
Let's go!
Wet ass pussy. Make that pull out get weak.
Let's go!
Yeah, you fucking with some
Wet ass pussy!
Bring a bucket and a mop for this
Wet ass pussy!
Give me everything you got.
And wet ass go Cardi
Beat it
go!
up, nigga, catch a charge. Extra large and extra hard. Put this pussy right in your face. Swipe your nose like a credit card. Hop on top, I wanna ride. I do a giggle, roll exercise. Spit in my mouth, look in my eyes. This pussy is wet, come take a dive. Tie me up like I'm surprised. Let's role play, I wear disguise. I want you to park that Big Mac truck right in this little garage. Make it cream, make me scream. Out in public, make a scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me tell you, I got this game.
Gobble me, swallow me, drip down inside of me. Quick jump out for you, let it get inside of me. I tell them where to put it, never tell them where I'm about to be. I run down on them before I have a nigga running me. Talk your shit, bite your lip. Ask for a call while you ride that dick.
Let's
You really
go.
ain't never got
Let's
them fucking
go.
for a thing.
Let's
You
go.
already
Let's go,
made
let's
mine,
go, let's go.
yeah.
Now get your boots and your coat for this wet ass pussy.
Keep on a phone
Just for pictures of this
Wet ass pussy!
Pay my tuition just to kiss me on this
Wet ass pussy!
Now make it rain if you wanna see some wet ass
Pussy!
Look, I need a hard hit, I need a deep stroke, I need a Henny drink, I need a weed smoke, not a garden snake, I need a king cobra with a hook in it.
Hope it lean
He got
over!
some money, that's where I'm headed. Pussy A1, just like his credit. He got a beer when I'm tryna wet it. I let him taste it, now he diabetic.
Let's
I don't
go.
wanna spit, I wanna go, I wanna gag,
And what
I wanna
you
choke.
say,
I want you
Lucy?
to touch that little dangly thing that's swinging the back of my throat. My head can misfire, but I need the sign, it's going and drying, it's going outside, yeah, right on that. The cops behind me, spit on his mic, and he tryna sign me.
Let's go!
Yeah, you fucking with some
Wet ass pussy!
Bring a bucket and a mop for this
Wet ass pussy!
Give me everything you got for this
Wet ass pussy!
Now from the top, make it drop. That's a
Wet ass
pussy. Now get a bucket in the mouth. That's some wet ass pussy. I'm talking wet. That's some wet ass pussy. Macaroni in the pot. That's some wet ass pussy.
Hey, yo, Barney.
What's up, baby?
All gas, no brakes. Let's go. Let's go.
Top Porsche, rollie on my wrist, diamonds up and down my chain.
What's your name?
Cardi B, straight stunning, can't tell me nothing. Bossed up and out.
What's that? Where you from,
It's
sis?
my big bump, boogie got all them girls shook. My big fat ass got all them boys cooked. Went from dollar bills, now we poppin' rubber bands.
Let's go,
Bruno
let's go,
Santos,
let's go, let's go, like, hey.
flexing on the ground like,
Hey.
hit the Lil Jon, okay. Oh yeah, we drippin' and finessing, getting paid.
To the green light.
Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you having a beautiful time with me tonight.
Hands up.
I hope you guys enjoy your holidays.
She the one for life.
Merry Christmas, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Hanukkah. Hope you have a beautiful New Year. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, let's go.
Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Look, it feels so good to be us. Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on.
Put your hands in the air. Hands in the air.
Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on. Look, it feels so good to be us.
Let's go.
Yeah, we got it going on, got it going on.
We can do this shit all day. TikTok, Arizona.
Let's go back to being gangster again.
You want to go back again?
Fuck the positivity.
Yo, one more day, one Cardi B fans make some noise in this mug. Hey, yo, let's do it to him like this. Yo, ready? Sing it.
You can't fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms, these is
Bloody shoes.
hit the store. I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut a nigga off, so don't
Let's
get
go, let's go, let's go, let's go.
I don't dance now, I make
Let's go,
money
let's go,
move.
let's go, let's go.
Say I don't gotta dance, I make money move. If I see you and I don't speak, that means I
I'll
don't
fall with you.
I'm a boss, you a record bitch. I'm a
Let's go.
now she said she gon' do what or who? Let's find out and see.
Cardi B.
You know where I'm at.
You know where I be.
You in the club just to party and then I get paid a fee. I be in and out them banks so much I know they tired of me. Honestly, don't give a fuck about who ain't fond of me.
No.
Drop 2 mixtapes in 6 months. One bitch working as hard as me. I don't bother with these hoes. Don't let these hoes bother me.
Let's
They
go.
see pictures, they say goals. Bitch, I'm who they tryna be. Look, I might just chill in some babe. I might just chill with your boo. I might just spill on your babe. My pussy feel like a lake. He wanna swim with his face. I'm like, okay. I let him do what he want. He buy me east to the run. And then you whip. Running go fast as a horse.
What
I
kind
got
of
the
boy you is?
I'm the hottest in the street. Know you probably heard of me. Got a bag and fix my teeth. Hope you hoes know it ain't cheap. And I pay my mama bills. I ain't got no time to chill. Think these hoes be mad at me. They baby. You can fuck with
Sing
me
it.
if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red bottoms. These are
Bloody shoes.
Hit the store, I can get them both. I don't wanna choose, and I'm quick. Cut that nigga off, so don't get comfortable. Look, I don't dance now. I
Say
make
what, say
money
what,
move.
say what, say what?
Say I don't gotta dance. I make money move.
Let's
If I
go.
see you and I don't speak, that means I don't fuck with you. I'm a boss, you a worker, bitch. I make money move. We ain't done yet, bitch.
Oh, we ain't motherfucking done.
We ain't motherfucking done yet. We just warming up.
Let's give it to their ass. I said I like it like that. I said I like it like that. Let's go. I said I like it like that.
Dollars, I like diamonds, I like stunning, I like shining, I like $1 million bills. Where's my pen?
Bitch, I'm signing.
I like those Balenciagas,
Which one?
the ones that look like socks.
Okay.
I like going to the jeweler. I put rocks all in my watch. Necklace for my exes. Fixing on bitches as hard as I can. Eating
And what you say?
Told that bitch I'm sorry. Love my pros at Kill me, call me Cardi B.
I run this shit like Cardi.
Diamond District in the chain.
I said I like it like that.
Certified, you know I'm gas.
I said I like it like that.
Jump the top and blow the
I
brass.
said I like it like that.
Oh, he's so handsome, what's his name?
I said I like it like that.
I need the
I
dollars.
said I like it like that.
Beat it up like
I
pinata.
said I like it like that.
Tell the driver close the curtain.
I said I like it like that.
That big
Hold on, I want to switch it up right quick. Hold on. Go. Hands up. Hands in the air. Hands up. Say it with me. Go Cardi. 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 Go. Switch it up.
Oh, I need the
I
dollars.
said I like it like that.
Beat it up like
I
pinata.
said I like it like that.
Tell the driver close the curtain.
I said I like it like that.
That big like you nervous. Cardi B.
Yeah!
Thank you so much, Arizona. It was my motherfucking pleasure. Goodbye for now. Until we meet again.
Give it to him. One more time, Arizona TikTok. Make some noise for Cardi B! Woo! Cardi!
Worthless, moving around in the tunnel, so just
I need my asthma pump, bitch. Hey, my asthma pump. Hey, my asthma pump. Where the fuck is my asthma pump? Oh, shit, I'm on. Hey. Let's go. Shit. Thank you very much, motherfuckers. I love y'all so much. Thank you very much, Arizona. I love y'all. I love y'all very much. My mouth is dry. Bitch, I can't breathe. Look at the motherfucking egg. I want that shit in my backyard. No, actually, no, I don't want it in my backyard. It's not gonna match. It's not gonna smash my whole thing. God damn, this there is dry and cold. Hi, baby. Hola. Gracias. I love you. Shit. Thank you so much. Goddamn motherfucker shit. Thank you so much for watching me.
But